Look at that. Time to go get a coffee. It's a really steep slope. I got my chains on. Whoa. All right. Whoa, whoa, whoa. This is steep. Let's start the car and get a coffee. Look at that. I don't want to hate anybody going down. All right. That's it? I just killed them? Too much snow? That's disgusting. I just killed them. So I'm gonna have to go down. Let go of the brake. Put it in reverse. Let's see if I can make it. All right, I made it. I need to clear out the windshield. Seriously, my wipers don't work. I don't know why. Let's go figure it out. Lots of snow. Lots of snow, people. Hopefully this is the problem right here with the wipers. Look, I got little icicles that's melting. Perfect. Seriously, my wipers don't work. I wonder why. Maybe something burned up, like a fuse, hopefully. You know, let me give it a push. There you go. Like 24-mile-an-hour winds right now. Crazy. Perfect. Let's give it a try again. Seriously, we haven't had a snow like this in a long time. All right, get back to work. Get back to work. Awesome. They're working again. Whew, let's go. Gotta put my seatbelt on and getting my wife a coffee. What's up, people? This is crazy or what? Look at the snow. Well, in the streets, but in here it's all clean. Okay, let's slowly get on this street without hitting anybody, because this is where you're gonna hit someone, in these little streets. All right, look at this, guys. So it's snowing, or it was snowing the whole night. This is amazing. It's like going to a mountain. My daughter was like, we have enough snow to build a snowman. Like, there's a puddle. You're gonna get a coffee. It's gonna be awesome. I'm gonna go to the Goodwill. Let's see if I can get some goodies. Hopefully nobody's there. Like, none of my competition is there, but please, workers, please be there. And this is the beauty of winter. All that nasty shit on the street. Seriously. Seriously. Look at that. Everything's melted. But it's gonna freeze over again. But in the meantime, look at this. Coffee. We got a coffee. And it's gonna be a good trade-off. I'm gonna go get my wife a coffee, and she's working on a meal. So we're gonna have a nice equal trade-off. I'm gonna give her the coffee, she's gonna give me a nice warm meal, and I'm going to Goodwill. So wish me luck, guys and ladies. People, just people, wish me luck. Wish me luck. I can't even speak right now. It's so bright. So bright in here. Seriously, winter's back. It's awesome. And it's gone. Look at that, completely clear road. Just nothing. I was actually worried about getting up this hill, but look at that. No problem. There's no problem. No snow, no problem. It's just really steep. You don't wanna slip here. What's happening, guys?
Nothing.
What are you making, Liana? Leah, what are you making?
No, I'm making a snow castle.
Snow castle?
Yeah, this shape.
That's awesome. Look at me, guys. Wow. Who's bundled up? I thought you didn't like that hat, Leah.
Huh?
I thought you didn't like that hat. She loves it. She loves it. So I'm gonna have my food on the go and go to the bins. Those look good. Let's see if I can turn around. Whoa, right on the middle of the road. That was awesome. No, hopefully I don't get a ticket for that. Let's get out of here. Honestly, I was trying to turn around, pull in, but I don't know what happened in there. It just went sideways to my advantage, I guess, and I turned around in my lane. It was great. It was a U-turn. Look at that plow just destroying all the snow. That's a nasty looking cloud right there. That was crazy. That's why you keep your distance, I guess.